Good day, everyone. I'm Apple Jean Suknet, a third-year IT student from St. Rita's College of Balinasag. Today, I will teach you how to use my SQL syntax and SQL order by. How to use SQL order by in Syntax MySQL console. SQL order by. The order by keyword is used to sort the result set by one or more columns. The order by keyword sorts the record in ascending order by default. To sort the records in descending order, you can use the desc keyword. Database name employee underscore DB and the attributes employee ID N10 unsigned primary key auto increment not null. Employee full name barcar 30 not null. Employee gender barcar 10 not null. Employee birthday date not null. Employee address barcar 40 not null. Employee hire date not null. The demonstration in my SQL console. Show databases. Let's enter. Use employee underscore DB. And now I will select all from table employee. Order by employee full name ascending. Please enter and here's the result. And now, as you have seen, the employee full name sorts the records in ascending order by default. I will try another one. And now I will select all from table employee. Order by employee full name descending. Please enter and here's the result. This is the basic demonstration in MySQL console order by. For more information, just visit www.w3school.com. Thank you and God bless.